Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how you can open any folder or file or app file location. If you don't have the file location or you don't know how to open the file location, here is the tutorial. From here you can, after watching this video, you can easily open any app or software file location. Okay, let me show you how you can do it. First, go to, as an example, go to your start menu. I am going to my start menu. Here I can see as an example, like see this Brave browser. If I don't know this browser install path, the install folder, then I need to right click on this. Actually, okay, so if you need any other than this one, like I'm going to show you again another with another thing, like this one is Firefox. Let me right click on this and then go to more and then open file location, and here is the file. So by this way you can open any file, folder or app location. Let me show you again, like this is the like this is Kaspersky Internet Security, my internet security for antivirus. Let me right click on then more and open file location, and here is the file location. Okay, I hope this video will help you, and from now you can open your file location also. And if you like my video, you can like, share and subscribe. If you need any other tutorial than this one on other topic, you can simply comment on my videos and I will try to make a video on this topic. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.